Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can use CapCut PC offline. So the things you can use when you're offline are mostly just adjustments and keyframes. I'm not sure if text works or like everything that's downloaded, like effects, filters. If you already have it downloaded, it may show up for you, but you can add in keyframes when you're offline. So you can select that, like add a keyframe, and then you can zoom in. You can even like rotate it a little bit. You can also use like the blend mode here as well, 100% maybe, and then here 39, and then here back to 100. You can also again use the adjustments tab here to adjust the filters of the video. But that's mostly the things you can use when you're offline on CapCut PC. I hope it was helpful. Oh, I think you can also use speed actually. I'm not sure if you can use the smooth slow-mo one, but that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.